Kahit saan mo dalhin yan, maniwala ka, kahit fishbowlan. It doesn't matter. Hindi mo kailangan ng mamahaling restaurant. Hindi mo kailangan ng mamahaling lugar. Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy, Sublano Moto. Okay, for tonight's vlog, let's talk about. So may nag-comment na naman sa atin sa comment section. Maganda yung tanong niya. Yeah, bakit ba ini-emasculate ng mga kababaihan ang lalaki, lalo na pag nasa in relationship na? It's a good question. Lahat tayo nag-wonder, ano, bakit ba? Kumbaga, we're doing the best we can, tapos gaganunin nila tayo, di ba? Parang it's unfair naman. Okay, punta muna tayo sa mga criteria na hinahanap ng mga kababaihan. Women are looking for security. Lagi mo tatandaan yan. Women are looking for security. Why? Kasi nga, since the beginning of time, pag iniwan mo sila sa jungle, for sure they will end up dead. What? So, for them to survive, they need to find a guy na very dominant, confident, yun talagang kaya silang itaguyod. So, since yun ang hinahanap nila sa isang lalaki, so ibig sabihin, by definition or by default, wala sila nun.
How dare you?
Oh, nagagets mo na kung saan papunta itong sinasabi ko. So, since they are not very confident when it comes to providing security, so they need to find a guy that can provide that for them. However, eto na, dito na papasok. Women emasculated the men that they like for so many reasons. Pero syempre, nandyan yung una, shit test. What? Kahit hindi pa kayo, women will give you shit test. Ano yung shit test na yun? Titingnan nila kung totoo or legit na confident ka bilang lalaki. Shit test is titingnan nila kung magre-react ka sa mga bagay na mababaw. For example, they won't reply on your message. They will just keep you waiting, maybe 3 days, 4 days, or 5 days. Titingnan nila kasi pag nag-text ka uli or pag nag-double text ka uli, in their sight, it's confirmed na under kanila or nasa ano kanila, you are under their spell. What? So ibig sabihin, this guy maybe will follow everything that I say. So once na ang babae ang may leverage sa relationship, which is most of the time, yung leverage na yon nakukuha nila during courting process, or nanliligaw ka pa lang, or dumidiskarte ka pa lang. Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, you need to frame her sa bagay na gusto mo or sa relationship na gusto mo. Hindi pwede na lagi kang sasang-ayon sa kanya. Nandyan yung itetest niya na, let's say for example, let's eat sa dito sa cafe na to, gusto ko to. Nakatry na ako dyan eh. So ikaw to si tanga. What? Bakit naman? Ako dyan, di daw masarap. So ikaw to si tanga, mag-agree ka, ay ganun ba? O sige, lipat na lang tayo. What? You shouldn't say lilipat tayo. Or dapat hindi ka pumayag. Gets mo? Regardless kung ayaw niya. Kasi ikaw nga nagplan eh. Sabihin mo sa kanya, hindi, iba orderin mo. Ano ba in-order mo last time? Because it's very impossible na in-order niya yung lahat ng pagkain doon at para i-try niya. No, it's not. Di ba? Kaya nga ikaw, bilang lalaki, ikaw ang magpa-plan ng lahat. Tsaka most of women were flakes, ha? One of the shit tests they will give na the best na tingin nila, dun ka nila masusubukan, is they will flakes. Ano ibig sabihin nun? A day before, they will say, can we cancel? Can we move on a different date? Kasi nakalimutan ko ganito, alis pala kami ni mama. Yan ang laging dahilan ng mga babae, alis kami ni mama. Or, let's say magkikita kayo ng 5 PM. Sige, una ka na. Susunod na lang ako kasi nagpapasama si mama, hindi ko mahindian, naka-oo pala ako sa kanya last time. Oh my God! Eh, syempre ayoko naman baguhin yung date natin or yung pagkikita natin. So, can you wait for me? Oh. So yung palang shit test na yon. Or it can be compliance test. Yung compliance test is mag-a-agree ka, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina. Ayoko dyan, di masarap dyan eh. So ikaw nga to si tanga, payag. O sige, hanap tayo. So nagko-comply ka sa mga gusto niya. Gets mo? So yung palang, it's a test na hindi mo na ipasa. Ang babae, ganito. Most of the time, hindi rin nila alam yung sinasabi nila or ginagawa nila.
How dare you?
But in their sight, that's the test kung masasabi nila na confident ka sa mga pinakikita mo or legit na confident kang lalaki. Kaya nga, don't fall for any compliance or shit test. Ikaw ang lalaki, ikaw ang maglilid, ikaw ang magpe-frame. You need to frame her according to the rules or to the way na gusto mo. Gets? Pag sinabi mo, dito tayo pupunta, and this is the time. Okay, I'll see you at 6, matatapos tayo most probably before 8. Tapos after nun, maybe we'll go somewhere else. May alam ako, let's try kung kaya pa natin. Baka mamaya kasi magkasarapan ng kwento, hindi na tayo makaalis. Pero I'll make sure na I will send you home by around this time. Mga ganon. So yun ang tinatawag na talagang masasabi mo na may plan ka. Hindi yung come what may. Hindi ka pwede mag-come what may, Brad. Masasayang ang oras mo. At pati siya, hindi niya rin alam kung paano niya hahatiin yung oras niya. Paano kung may pasok siya? Hindi niya lang sinasabi sa'yo, nahihiya siya sa'yo. Kaya dapat, you should know how to handle the first date smoothly or properly. Kung first date pa lang, sablay na, wala na. Diba? Women can go out with a guy with zero interest.
How dare you?
Just for fun lang. Kaya nga, yung talking stage is only applicable for women, not for men. Because we all know, hanggat maaari, gusto nga natin makuha yung babae or makasama na natin or ma-date na natin as much as we can or ASAP, di ba? Pero, the problem is, tayo ang napiprame nila when it comes to talking stage. May nag-comment sa akin, 3 months daw, talking stage yun yung ginagawa niya. What? No wonder. Kaya, she end up single.
How dare you?
Yung pakikipag-talking stage na yan, sinabi ko na to sa ibang videos ko, na, pag nakipag-talking stage ka, ibig sabihin, binibigyan mo lang siya ng chance na i-reject ka. Or, sinasabi niya sa'yo, indirectly na hindi ka niya ganun ka-type. Kasi talking stage hindi kailanman pwede na makipag-talking stage ka. Oh shit. Damn son, di umabot. Kala ko abot. Anyway, so yung talking stage na yan, pambabae yan. Yan yung entertain muna kita kasi wala pa naman yung lalaking gusto ko. Then maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Diba, women are dictated by their emotions. So kaya talagang mahirap. Hindi mo rin malalaman kung sila hindi na nila alam kung ano yung gusto nila sa buhay, how much more ikaw, kasi hindi mo naman hawak yung emotions nila. What? Pero there are some basic things that you can always remember para at least alam mo kung saan mo ilulugar yung sarili mo. Gets? So kaya guys, ito mapapayo ko sa inyo, never ever always change kung ano na yung napag-usapan or kung ano na yung nasabi nyo. Sabi mo, I really hate to cancel, pero this is not work. Kung ganito pa lang, umpisa pa lang, ganyan na. And I don't think na, hindi ka naman nagdadrama or anything Kumbaga sinasabi mo lang sa kanya. Kumbaga, let's stick to that, di ba? Let's try. Wala namang mawawala Gets? Tsaka kung talagang masaya ang babae or masaya, during the time na kausap mo siya, masaya na siya kausap ka, kahit saan mo dalhin yan, maniwala ka, kahit fishbowlan, it doesn't matter. Gets mo? Hindi mo kailangan ng mamahaling restaurant, hindi mo kailangan ng mamahaling lugar. Kung talaga interesado sa yung isang babae, interesado siya makilala ka. Hindi yung interesado siya kung saan mo siya dadalhin. Di ba? So women emasculated when because kasalanan natin. Gets? Kasalanan mo bro. Kasi hinayaan mo na diktahan ka niya sa mga desisyon mo. Which is maling-mali. Hindi ka dapat pumapayag padikta sa isang babae. Hindi na naman tayo pwede magmabilis nito. Yayari na naman tayo ni TikTok nito. So, wag kang magtaka if women trying to emasculate you. Kasi nga, women are looking for the best guy. So, there are some shit tests na mararanasan mo sa kanya. Yun yung test para makita niya kung talagang confident ka or talagang legit na confident ka. And kung talagang deserve mo na i-date siya. Gets mo? Because women are looking for security. Hindi pwedeng itry niya lahat ng lalaki para malaman niya kung sino yung the best. We as a man, we can be with most of women. But women cannot be with most of men. Kaya they are very, very picky. So when it comes to having a child or bearing a child, same thing. Kaya nga, hindi sila basta-basta bumubuka ka. Kaya nga, pag ang babae mabilis bumuka ka, so ibig sabihin, they won't see her value.
How dare you?
Or devaluing herself if she's keep on seeing other guys most of the time. Gets? Balik tayo. Women emasculating you is because of the sense of power. It can be power trip, authority, something like that, or compliance test or shit test. Ano sinabi ng tito ni Spider-Man, ni Uncle Ben? Great power comes with great responsibilities. However, women just want the power, but they don't want the responsibilities most of the time. I'm not saying all women are like that, but most of them, they just want the power. So, kung sa umpisa pa lang na relationship, she's trying to emasculate you, then you should know what to do next. Either you continue seeing her or tell her that you are leading her for the better. Ibig sabihin, not literally saying, "Oy, tumahimik ka dyan, ako maglilid ng relationship." Hindi ganon. Kumbaga, you will influence her through your conversation with her. Gets? Hindi mo sasabihin na, "Oy, tumahimik ka nga. Ako lalaki, ako masusunod." No, it's not that.
Oh my God!
Diba? Dapat meron kang boundaries. Gets? Sa una pa lang ng date nyo, dapat pinipray mo na siya. So, women emasculating you is because you allow it to happen. Kaya nga, kung attracted sa'yo ang isang babae because nalaman niya na marami ka naging chicks o nababalitaan niya na maraming nahuhumaling sa yung chicks, which is yun yung pre-selection na tinatawag, wag mong alisin yun sa'yo. I'm not saying na naman babae ka naman babae. No, it's not. Kung talaga ikaw yung lalaki na kumakausap lagi sa mga kababaihan, or then just continue doing that. Eto nga sa atin pag nasa in a relationship tayo, we will surrender the code. So we have the code that we need to surrender. Andyan na yung parang it's hard to be men around women. Why? Because we want to please them di ba? Because pag baka hindi na ako magbibigyan ng sexual access nito. No, it's not. The more na masculine ka, the more na dominante ka sa kanya. And I'm not saying you need to say bad words to her para lang mapasunod siya. No, it's not. Pero kung nakikita mo ng ganun lagi siya at nakakapagsalita ka ng hindi maganda towards her, then it's better to say goodbye. Hiwalayan mo na. Kasi hindi ganun ang babae na matatagalan mo or tatagalan mo. Kasi lagi ka lang niya itetest. Kung ikaw, alam mo sa sarili mo na you are very soft as a man, then you need to change that. Or you need to find a woman na very soft. Ganun lang yun. Pero nowadays, it's hard to find a woman na very soft. Kailangan mong i-influence yung mga kababaihan na namimit mo para hindi ka niya i-emasculate. We allow women to emasculate us. That's why they do that. Kaya nga women are looking for a confident guy, looking for a dominant guy because hindi sila ganun.
How dare you?
So they are trying to be like that when they are in a relationship. Which is mali, di ba? Because they are not in their feminine pag ginagawa nila yon. Imagine mo pag ginagawa nila yun, di ba? Ay, hindi to feminine woman kasi she's trying to emasculate me, which is maling-mali. So kasalanan din natin. Kaya nga if you allow it na emasculate ka, then expect mo na lagi kayong pwedeng magtalo or laging masakit ang ulo mo. Di ba? Kaya you should know how to frame her. Una pa lang ng relationship or maaga pa lang, i-frame mo na siya the way na nakikita mo kung ano yung tama at anong nararapat. Ako naniniwala ako, lahat tayong mga lalaki, wala tayong ibang gusto kundi maayos na relationship. When women have the leverage in the relationship, they always dictate by their own emotions. Kaya kung ano-ano pwede niya masabi sa'yo or kung ano-ano pwede niyang paggawa sa'yo. Tignan mo na lang yung nanay mo. Baka one of the good example. Kung tingin mo ang tatay mo sunod-sunuran sa mama mo, then pwede mo makuha yun. Pwedeng maging attracted ka rin sa mga ganong babae. What? Na very combative, maingay, mga ganon. So, dapat alam mo na kaagad, since nakikinig ka ngayon kay Suplado Moto, then you should know na nandito tayo bilang lalaki para i-lead ang mga babae, especially yung mga karelasyon natin. So yun lang guys, thank you so much. Sana nasagot ko ang tanong mo, sir. I'll see you guys next time and bye bye.